Okay, because I'm gonna toss some sugar on these. Pour some sugar on me. That was a horrible face. What was that?
One day you put your face too close to it and you end up burning yourself.
That's gonna be great. Alright, so this is top light. This is top light.
Take one.
Take one, top light. Don't these look delicious? Let us know in the comments what you think of these.
Cinnamon apple. What?
One more time.
Did you make it leak?
Yeah.
Not Tupperware, dude. It's Crappleware.
Can't really squeeze.
Switch with me.
Switch?
Switch with me.
That hand? This probably looks really disgusting to them.
But it's ultimate manliness.
Oh
no! No! Did it get on it?
I don't see anything on
No, it's on the rig.
The manliest of ultimate PB&J sandwiches in the world. We good with that one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is intro, take one. Good job. Cut. Alright guys, for this ingredient.
For this ingredient, you're going to need the following recipe.
You're gonna need the following recipe for this ingredient. I want a super.
You should make like a family of pumpkins, like a big one that's the dad.
But all kidding aside, thank you guys for watching, and we hope to see you on a future episode of We Suck at Cooking. Click on some of the stuff over here and there and wherever.
I believe it's that way.
Okay, it should be that way. Click on some of that stuff for more We Suck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.